Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming in and wanting to hang out with me today. It truly means the world to me that you wanted to come and spend a small part of your day here with me. Now, anybody that is new to my channel, first off, welcome in. My name is Eve. Thank you for coming in and giving my channel a chance. I truly hope that you enjoy yourself while you're here, and I hope that you like the vibe of my videos. Now, anybody that is not subscribed to me yet, please consider subscribing. It would really help my channel out, and I would greatly appreciate anything extra. If you could share my video, like it, you can literally leave anything in the comment and I would be so damn grateful. Alright friends, so in today's video I am going to be sharing what I got in my January Ipsy Extra box. Now this box is going to cost you $32 a month and then I pay $1.99 per shipping. I don't know if that is going to change depending on where you live, but that is what I pay. Now I have tried all these items. I'm going to give you my opinion, what I think about it, and I'm going to do some swatches for you. Now I'm going to start off with the two items that Ipsy picked out for me. So the first one is going to be by Pink Lips and it's the Lip Sleeping Mask in Cherry. Now this has a retail value of $18 and then on the Ipsy site, out of the 5 stars, it got 2.7. Now when I tried this, I'm not going to use it as a lip sleeping mask. The scent is extremely strong. It would keep me up all night. And I don't need a tinted lip thing on my lips when I'm sleeping. It's going to get everywhere on my pillowcase. It's going to get on my skin. I'm going to break out. I'm going to have a reaction. So this is not the type of product I will use at nighttime. Now throughout the day, I absolutely loved it. This has a very, very fake cherry smell to it. It is very strong. I like it because it's nostalgic for me for this reason. When I was in high school, I used to go to the dollar store and there's this lip gloss, I don't know what the name was, but it was in a roller ball and I used to love it. And it smells exactly like that. So I really, really like it. It keeps my dry lips extremely hydrated throughout the day. It stays put. I'm wearing it right now so you can see what it looks like. I really like it. Now, for the retail value of $18, I would never pay that. I don't know. I should go to the dollar store and see if they still sell that stuff. But here's the swatch of it. But like I said, I really like it. I'm glad it's in my box. I just would never repurchase it. Now, if I see it for $5 or under in the Ipsy store, I'm definitely going to pick it up if I run out of this. The second thing that Ipsy picked out for me is by TYS Beauty, and it is a highlighter stick in Honeydew. Now, I wore it as a regular highlighter. I'm not wearing it right now, and I did not like how my skin looked at certain angles. The color was not right for me. So what I did, I tried it 2 times, and I absolutely loved it this way. So I used it all over my face before I put my foundation on. As you can see, my skin is very, very glowy. I used it all over except for my under eyes. I even used it on my neck. I like it that way, so underneath my foundation. Go ahead and swatch this for you. So I really like it as a primer, I guess you can call it, but underneath my foundation, it just looked gorgeous. Now this has a retail value of $24. I don't think that's worth it as well. And out of 5 stars, it got 3.2. Now the items that I picked out. So I saw this palette, I got really excited. I love the colors. I used to like, back in the day, I don't know, I haven't seen them in boxes very often. The Galactic Cosmetics. This is the Essential Palette Volume 2. Now, some of these shades I really like. The brown tones I really, really like. This white shade was extremely chalky. It makes my eyes look chunky and dry and crusty. It's just not a good look, so I did not like the white. And then if you want to make these work, these do not look good on their own. So the pink and the teal, I got a new light. I'm trying to work with it. So just bear with me. So let me get my big fat head out of the way so you can look at this. But the teal and the purple, The shimmers, when you put them on, they are not bright. They don't look good. So you have to use the matte shades underneath. And then I put the NYX glitter glue on top of it. And then I put the shimmer shades on top. And it looked decent. Do I think this is worth, how much are they saying, $48? No, I don't think it's worth it at all for that. But I do like the brown tones. It is an okay palette. I don't know. I remember, what is it, Galactic having better quality. I don't know what happened to it. This is just a very average palette for me. I will use the brown shades, and then when I go through it, I may just toss it because the purple and the teal shade just didn't wow me. I had to really work on my eyes to make it look good. I don't want to work that hard for my eyeshadow look. I have palettes that blow this out of the water, so I'm going to keep it for the browns, but throw it away after that. And that white was just freaking awful. So the next item I picked is by Wander Beauty On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. This I absolutely love. So I'm wearing that today. I'm wearing the blush and I'm wearing the highlighter. So you can see the blush all over my cheeks and on the tip of my nose, well, the bridge of my nose, and then the highlighter right over here. It is absolutely stunning. I am so happy with this. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you. It blended like a dream. It stays all day. It does not fade at all. I did not expect this to be this good. Now this has a retail value of $38, and out of the 5 stars on Ipsy, it got 4.4. So it seems like a lot of people like this. The next item really freaking shocked me. I didn't think I was going to like it. I do tretinoin, but I do that. I just started back, so I do it once a week. I'm trying to get my skin used to it again because I got off of it for over a year. I was trying alternatives to retinol and tretinoin, but my skin really craves it. So on days that I don't use the tretinoin, I still want to have some kind of anti-aging benefit. So that's why I picked this, and I absolutely love it. So this is by Dallas and James, and this is the Watermelon Dream Overnight Retinol Oil. And out of 5 stars, it got 4.7, and this has a retail value of $62. Like I said, I've used this for a week. I absolutely love it. So I am really happy I got this. It surprised me. I did not think it was going to be that good. Okay, so now my bitch fest. I did not think Ipsy could piss me more off with their Beauty Boost. It is $15 a month that you pay extra on top of your box. Before, you got to pick items, the items of what you wanted. So it would give you 4 or 5 choices. You would pick one item, and I always picked something that was like $90 or above. So I got my value of paying the $15. Well, this month, Ipsy decided that they're going to do away with choices for Beauty Boost, and they're just going to send you something. And what they picked, I'm absolutely pissed about. So this is by Dermalactive's Deep Cleansing Tool, and they're saying this has a retail value of $140. I don't like that they took choices away. If you were going to do that, then you should have sent out an email, and you've sent emails out before that this month is going to be different, or give a few months ahead of time saying for the month of this, we are doing away with choices. We're going to be picking it for you. Do you know why they didn't do that? Because they know a lot of people would cancel. Immediately when I saw that they did that, I went on there and I canceled my Beauty Boost. I think that was shady. I think that was awful that they decided to do that without letting people know that they didn't get the choice anymore, and they just took it away and they sent you something. So I have a lot of these tools, and I don't think it's worth $140. I've tried a lot of them. My favorite was the Clarisonic. Of course, that's not in business anymore. Mine conked out a while ago, which pissed me off because I bought a whole bunch of brush heads when it was going out of business. And that's a long freaking story, but these I don't think is worth $140. You can find a really good one for a hell lot cheaper. It has the little silicone scrubbies on here. You can go strong, normal, soft, comfort, and then it has like an eye thing on it. What is it? What are they saying with the stupid eye thing? Oh, I guess over here is for your eye. I think it's... I'm so pissed. I don't like that they did this. Like I said, I went immediately and canceled. I heard a lot of people did the same thing, but for Ipsy to do that without letting anybody know so they could cancel and not be charged and get something that they did not freaking want, I just thought it was shady of them. I'm extremely pissed. I don't know. I may watch what they do with the Beauty Boost, but I don't like the option being taken away from me and them sending me something for the $15 because I don't trust them picking it. I've seen their choices and some of them are like $25, $30, and you're expecting me to pay $15 extra on top of my box when I pay $32 a month to get all the other items? No, I'm not okay with that. I'm so livid. It's not even funny that they pulled this. Tell me what you think about them taking away the choices. I would love to hear your opinion. Are you okay with it, or are you just as pissed as I am? But like I said, I canceled immediately. Now let's go ahead and talk about something good, and it is the add-ons. I picked some really nice items. All of them are the 350. Wow. I wish I had that kind of money. The $3.50 category. So the little tiny samples. I, again, in this box, got 2 of the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealers. I really liked it in my last box. I saw they offered it again, so I picked it up. Absolutely love this concealer. I'm wearing it today underneath my eyes. I have dry, crusty eyes. I am over 40, so I will take all the help I can get underneath my eyes. An item I did not like. So this is by Dear Midnight, and this is the Champagne Dream dual-ended eyeshadow stick and blender. Okay, get this thing off. It sucks. It's got no pigment. As you can see, I'm rubbing hard as hell on here. I will even show, this is how much is on here. I will rub it until it's not there anymore. It basically gives no pigment on your eye. It is too much to be doing this on your eyelid. You're going to do damage to your eye. I tried it underneath in my waterline. I could not freaking see it. I tried it in my inner corner. I did not like it at all. Absolutely hated it. So the other thing I picked is the little tiny Denise Myricks Yummy Skin blushes. Absolutely love it. I'm so glad I tried it. So I got Rose and Brunch. It is so gorgeous, and now I just realized I did not do swatches for that damn palette. So I will do that as soon as I show you my add-ons. Absolutely stunning. Love this so much. When I run out, if I don't see it on the Ipsy sales, if I see more of these minis, I'm going to pick it up because you can't beat the deal on it. But if I don't, I would actually pay for the full size of this. This is by Blink, and it's a tubing brow juice. That is such an awful name for it, but I really like it. I have very, very thin brows. This keeps it in place, and it kind of plumps your eyebrows, which is nice. Now, I don't do it on my tail. I do it front part of my eyebrows, and I like how it looks. It stays put. It doesn't get dry, crusty, flaky. I really like this. If I see it on the add-ons again, I will definitely add this on so I can have a backup. And I apologize for not doing the swatches. Let's go ahead and do that right now. It's just not a good palette. All right, so here are the shimmery swatches. I don't know. That purple and teal is just really disappointing, and that white is just gross. And then here are the mattes. Like I said, I'm still working with this light, so I have to see how it is when I'm editing. I bought 2 lights when my other ones went out, and I was just watching my videos and it wasn't bright enough. So I was looking around, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna have to invest in a 3rd light. And from what I see on here, it looks really nice, but I have to be careful when I hold things up because my camera dims for some odd reason. But that is everything I got in my box. Thank you for coming in and hanging out with me today. I truly enjoy this time with you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.